Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Hey, what's up, you guys? Back again with another unboxing video. And today we are unboxing the Wyze lock bolt. This right here is a great lock. It works off of Bluetooth, not Wi-Fi. So you have less chance of getting infiltrated on the one end. But basically this lock, fingerprint plus keyboard, is a deadbolt replacement. Look at all the things this thing can do, you guys. Check this out. Fast fingerprint unlocking, auto lock, emergency USB charging, anti-peep keypad, easy in-app, access history, IPS waterproof, compatible with most doors. And this is by Wyze. So if you already have any Wyze products in your house, like the Wyze lights, like the one I got there, you know, the LED lights, this works with the same app that uses the lights there. So let's unbox this thing and see what we got in it. Should be the bolt, the parts, the guide, 4 AA batteries. So let's open this baby up and see what we got. There's that. We open that up. And we got this little advertisement I got. Yep, they want you to buy other products, you know, other Wyze products. We got the quick start guide here to show you how to set everything up, how to get the lock going. Here's a little bracket here is where you put on your door to make sure that everything fits on your door correctly with your lock, your measurements, and the thickness of your door. Here's the 4 AAA batteries right here. Here we have the insert where you put this inside the hole on your door. That goes in like that. You put the little back cup in there, and that way you got it nice and neat. Here we got the actual, here's the inside of the door lock right there. So you got the turn knob here just like your regular door. Here's the mechanics of it right here. You got your chip, your wires right there all set up, ready to go. Faceplate. Nice weatherproofing right here to make a nice seal. Also, we've got the outer portion of the lock here. Take this out. There you go. There's your fingerprint here. There's your fingerprint sensor. You can put the code in. Tells you about your battery. And this interlocks with the other piece I just showed you there. And also you've got here, you've got the actual bolt that goes through your lock. So you're going to replace your existing bolt, and then you're going to put this one on there. Top, rotate. This is just a little protected piece on there. So once you pop that out, then the bolt comes through there, like so. Yes, sir. So that's the unboxing of all the products in the Wyze lock bolt right here. So let's get this baby set up on the door, and we're gonna get it rocking. All right, you guys, this is the current lock on the inside of the door. There's the front piece. There's the current lock, and there's the striking plate. So I'm getting ready to replace this. I'm gonna just show you this in increments so you can see how it goes. Let's get into it. As you can see, I've completely taken the lock out of the door. I've got the new strike plate on here. So now we're gonna put the new assembly on the door. Next steps in the process, make sure you got the inner bracket, and make sure you feed this wire through the left hole here. Right here it says up and top. Make sure you feed that through that particular hole there. Also, make sure that you are level. Make sure that you are level. On this side, we got the keypad on here. Same thing. Make sure that you are level. Keypad. And now we're gonna put the finishing touch on this. Alright, you guys, next thing you want to do is take your inner lock piece. See the little indication right here, right by where the lock is? This is where you just pop that up. And then that's how you open it up, and that's where your batteries go, right there. And on the back side of the piece, you see that area right there? That's where this particular wire is gonna be fed right into it. Then I'm gonna put everything in place. Show you the finished product. And here's the finished install, you guys. Make sure that you have the knob turned the right way so that will open and close your lock effortlessly. So when you close the door, goes right in, boom. All right, you guys, I'm gonna show you this real quick. When you go to lock your door, it's real easy. I'm gonna do it while it's open. But you just hit the little lock button, and as you can see, it locks. I've got my finger already programmed, so all I gotta do is just go here, and it unlocks the door. I'm not gonna show you my code, but there's another code you can put in too to unlock it, to use the code. But just like that, you know, you just basically hit that to lock it. So anybody can lock the door, but if you are at home, it's gonna be locked already. And if you need to get in, just use my finger. Look how quick it is, and it looms just like. That's the complete setup. I'm not gonna go through the setup. I'm just gonna do the unboxing and the install. Plenty of videos to check out if you want to do the setup, but from here you just use your Wyze app and then you set it all up in your system. So that's it. Hey, thanks a lot for watching this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'm gonna keep bringing out the videos for you. If you think this is helpful, I will have a link below for this product. Definitely get it, because you don't want a lock that has a key in it that could be picked. So make sure you definitely get something like this. Just put your finger on it, done deal.